dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching the weekly review of financial markets on Insta TV. The American stock market closed steeply lower last Friday as investors remained gripped by fears of a partial US government shutdown, rising interest rates and slowing global growth. The Nasdaq Composite index traded down by 195.41 points or 3% to 6,332.99. The Nasdaq officially entered bear market territory on Friday, down by 21.9% from its August 31st highs. On a weekly basis, the Nasdaq dropped by 8.4%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 414.23 points, or 1.8%, to 22,445.37. The Dow is down by 16.3% from its recent highs reached on October the 3rd. The Dow slid by 6.9% on the week. The S&P 500 index fell by 50.84 points, or 2.1%, to 2,416.58. The S&P declined by 17.5% from its September the 20th highs. For the week, the S&P 500 lost 7.1%. Today, equity and bond markets are closed for the Christmas holidays. The Federal Reserve's rate hike last Wednesday drove the losses last week, and fears of an extended government shutdown only added to the pain on Friday. Stocks accelerated to their lows after President Donald Trump's trade advisor Peter Navarro told Nikkei that it would be difficult for the US and China to arrive at a permanent economic agreement after a 90-day ceasefire in the trade tensions. In corporate news, shares of Nike Incorporated were up by 7.3% after a Thursday evening earnings release that showed the company beating Wall Street estimates for fourth quarter earnings and revenue. The stock was also upgraded from to buy from hold at Pivotal Research. Shares of Perrigo Company tumbled by more than 26% after the company disclosed that Ireland was attempting to collect $1.64 billion in back taxes and penalties. Tech stocks led the market lower on Friday, with high-growth firms Facebook and Netflix losing more than 5% on the day. And this concludes the weekly review of financial markets with me, Anna Kasatkina. See you back soon.